Okay, we're about to go to Baguio. So, ano oras na? It's 3:47. Ito na. So, start na magpapa-gas muna kami. Tingnan namin kung kaya na itong sasakyan at ilang oras. Ano po? Full tank.
Full tank po?
Oo, full tank. 95. Sige kuya, sagad mo. One, two. Tingin ko kaya to ng kaya niya 1.5 balikan. Ating tatlo. Kuya, ano mo lang 1.5, pwede ba 1.5? Salamat.
Boss, kaway boss, bago kami umalis. Bye-bye.
Bye. Punta kaming Baguio. Anong nararamdaman mo na ginising kita tapos magkita tayo magbabagyo?
Nag-vlog, masaya.
Kinakabahan. Ay, kinakabahan. Bakit? Kung kaya na
mamaya
sasakyan
paahon.
sa paahon. Kaya yan. For the meantime yan, nagma-McDonald's kami. Mag-stopover kami. So, we still
First
have
stopover.
3 hours more. 3 hours more going to Baguio. But we'll try the
2 hours.
steepest road going to Baguio, the Cannon Road, para makita namin yung Lion's Head. Time check. 6:51 AM.
Kaya delikado rito pag maulan.
Ay, di ang malupit din. Nagkakarera sa ano.
Oo, ayaw mo silang mapatay. Ayan, sisementohan nila para may iwasan.
Iwan natin, di kapag nalaglag sila.
Sikat ka, no? May nakatakot pala rito.
Oo Han, kasi tarik to Han eh. Yung gilid mo tarik eh.
Ang lalim pala ng mga ilog. Pag nag-dive ka, lalim agad. Siya mag-dagat.
attraction ng lion.
Pinaka-humble na tayo.
Is Lion King. Ayan po si Lion King. Kawawa naman. Inooperahan.
I will take a little trip over yonder, so I can take a look around at what you've seen. I can see from where I am you're on an adventure in a place you can't describe. Some things can't be captured in words. So show me colors, colors I need. Pictures this time. Show me food and sights and sounds. I wanna know what you find. I want colors, colors, please show me. Life ain't black and white. Let me see you on the other side of the line. Show me colors, ooh. Show me colors, ooh. Since you've been away, the days grow longer, and I
1,206. Ayan. Food namin. Daming tira.
can't define. Some things can't be captured in words. So show me colors, colors I need. Pictures this time. Show me food and sights and sounds. I wanna know what you find. I want colors, colors, please show me. Life ain't black and white. Let me see you on the other side of the line. Swirling round and round in my head, more than all the pages I've read. Dancing on the memories, playing in my mind. When I think about it, I wonder what it would be like. Streets are filled with millions of people trying to get errands done. Warming their hands on coffee cups before the snowfall's even begun. Everyone's so busy, closing up shop for the year. Well, the street lights flicker as the day just night. Caroling is
Lapis na layong niyayan mo sa bawat saglit. Kapag naalala ka, wala naman akong magawa.
Lanes. Yan.
There's an empty piece of vision, just a man and man without even knowing where life about. Then you came, you pulled me out of the shadow. You gave the world to me before I knew that I was so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and then the love without a feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existence. And get down when I'm with you.
Three, two, one.
Millions of people trying to get errands done.
1, 2, 3.
Coffee cups before the snow falls in.
1, 2, 3.
Everyone's so busy.
3, 2, 1.
Well, the
Video.
streetlights flicker as the day just night. Carolina's all clear.
Ako.
3.
In the city, the lights are so pretty. The season is slow down. Feel the love all around you. Friends and family keeping you near. It's the most magical time of year. Yes, it feels so right. It's such a beautiful sight. Couples strolls down the street holding hands while the subway cars screech below. And they end up at a holiday party, dancing underneath the mistletoe. The sounds of laughter echo through the aisles of every grocery store. And the tree is stacked high with so many gifts that we can never hope for more. Because Christmas time in the city, the lights are so pretty. A season to slow down and feel the love all around you.
Thank you!
It's the
Bye!
Sabi mo sa akin sandali na lang. Di ko na alam lyrics.